Now let's talk about a collaboration in the Fox cities working to save lives during National Suicide Prevention Month. Emily Roberts joining us live outside United Way Fox Cities. Emily, why is this so important in our area?
Tammy, startling statistics this morning. The Fox Cities Mind Your Wellness survey reports Black, Indigenous, and people of color communities more than 3 times more likely to die by suicide compared to other groups. Now, so many organizations involved with this: United Way, New Mental Health Connection, People of Progression, New Hmong Professionals, and Partnerships Community Healthcare, all teaming up to try making that number so much lower. It's called the Drive Health Project, and it's creating a culturally specific model to support unmet mental health needs in the Hmong and Black communities with the help of a $1 million multi-year grant. Soon, a warm line is opening up for anyone to call in crisis to get immediate help from someone with shared life experience. The project also working to provide cultural competency training to organizations across our area. The goal to break down barriers for diverse communities to access the care they need.
Be more effective, you really need someone on the other end that really understand who you are and go deeper, use their experience to help you go through that.
Vu tells me once the warm line is up and running, we'll keep you posted on that. His next goal is to create a walk-in clinic for people to actually physically come in when they need that support. If you or someone else you know is struggling, we've got mental health resources available for you, posted at wbay.com/links. Live in Menasha, Emily Roberts, Action 2 News.